Imagine, you are not on Earth. You are a solitary traveler, suspended in the cold, silent vacuum of space. The stars are not just distant lights, they are brilliant, shimmering diamonds scattered across an endless canvas of velvet black. There's no sound, no wind, just the faint, rhythmic hum of your life support, and the slow, steady beat of your own heart. For a brief, perfect moment, you are at peace. But then, something catches your eye. A profound, unsettling void in that perfect tapestry of light. It's a perfectly black circle. A wound in the fabric of the universe. It doesn't shine. It doesn't reflect light. It is simply an absence. Motionless, yet you feel it. A subtle, almost imperceptible pull. A gravitational whisper, beckoning you closer. This is a black hole. As you drift closer, at first, nothing feels off. The familiar rules of physics seem to hold. But when you look back at the constellations you left behind, you see something impossible. The stars are no longer diamonds. They've become long, distorted streaks of light, as if stretched and smeared across a canvas by a cosmic brush. The light from distant galaxies begins to bend in strange, almost magical ways, curving around this point of infinite darkness. Time itself begins to slow down. Not for you. Your heart still beats at its normal rhythm. Your consciousness is clear, but the universe around you, it's now a different story. The clock on your ship shows time ticking normally, but for anyone watching from a million miles away, you're now moving in slow motion. You realize, with a sudden jolt, that you're falling. This isn't the gentle, familiar pull of Earth's gravity, which keeps our feet on the ground and our moons in orbit. This is extreme gravity. It's a force so immense, so powerful, that it warps the very reality around it. It's a gravitational field so potent that not even light, the fastest thing in the cosmos, can escape its grasp. That is why it's black. It's not just a hole, it's a cosmic prison for photons. As you fall deeper into this gravitational well, something horrifying, and utterly fascinating, begins to happen. You become aware that your feet are a tiny bit closer to the black hole's center than your head. The pull of gravity, so immense, is slightly stronger at your feet. And that minuscule, imperceptible difference in gravitational force is all it takes. You feel a gentle stretching, as if you're a piece of clay being molded. Your body begins to grow longer, thinner, like a piece of spaghetti being stretched to its absolute breaking point. Scientists have a name for this terrifying cosmic ballet: spaghettification. It's not a sudden, violent tearing. Not at first. It's a slow, agonizing process. Your arms, your legs, even the dense, solid bones in your body are all being pulled apart, atom by atom, by the tidal forces of a star that collapsed in on itself. And yet, to anyone watching from a safe distance, 100 light-years away, you look frozen. Suspended, right at the very edge of the darkness. This edge is called the event horizon. It's the point of no return. Cross it, and you're gone forever. Nothing escapes from here. Not light, not sound, not even the fundamental information that makes you who you are. To an outside observer, time has completely stopped for you at this threshold. They would watch you hang there for all of eternity, a silent statue at the edge of the abyss. But for you, the traveler, time is still moving. It's just different. Inside the event horizon, the universe twists into something alien, something beyond our current understanding. The familiar directions of up, down, left, and right lose all meaning. They cease to exist as we know them. The very dimensions of space and time have traded places. There is only one way to go: forward, inward, to the center, to the singularity. This is the heart of the black hole. A place of infinite density. All its immense mass, all its crushing gravity, is condensed into a single, infinitely small point. Here, the laws of physics as we know them completely collapse. Our most complex equations break down. It's like reaching the very edge of reality itself. So, what ultimately happens to you? You are stretched into atoms. Then into the most basic subatomic particles. Your very essence, your physical information, is pulled apart and potentially scattered. Time no longer flows forward in a linear way. You might see every single moment of your life at once, or you might experience nothing at all. It feels like the end. But is it? This is where our science gives way to theory and imagination. Some scientists believe black holes aren't just cosmic graveyards. They could be gateways, tunnels to other parts of our universe, or even to new universes altogether. A cosmic shortcut to a place we can't even begin to imagine. Other theories suggest that the information that makes you is never truly lost. It might stay encoded on the surface of the black hole, like a ghostly shadow of your existence. And maybe, just maybe, in the distant, far-flung future, someone could one day recover it. So, what really happens if you fall into a black hole? You fall, you stretch, time warps, you pass the point of no return. You journey into the great unknown, a place where no science can follow. You disappear, but perhaps, not forever. And out there, in the silent darkness of space, the black hole waits. Still, watching, pulling, until someone else, another traveler, crosses its path.